upepo inatusaidianga juu hata uko. Tunangoja. Tunakuja. Mko poa?
Everyone,
Hi.
welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Stella Monyiba, and today I'm coming live from Narok here in Kenya. You guys can introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Abigail and welcome to Narok County.
Yeah, my name is Samuel. Welcome very much to Narok County.
We're here to get to know where you guys left the city and decided to come to live here in the wilderness. How old are you first?
Okay, I'm 33 years and
I'm
Abigail.
26.
Yeah.
Oh, she's your wife.
Yeah, this is my wife. Her name is Abigail.
Oh, nice. How long have you stayed here?
So far, we are 1 month here. Yeah.
How is life going on?
Life is good. It took some time to adjust because it was the coldest season in Narok.
Oh,
It was the coldest.
but now you've already adapted to it.
Yeah. But right now it's at least. When we came, it was really cool. Yeah, but right now it's okay. Also, we didn't take a lot to adjust because already we had the solar.
Oh,
Yeah, so at least we had light. We could move around. Yeah, maybe she can tell us about the cooking.
yeah, tell us. How is the cooking in the wilderness compared to the city? You know, city we are used to the
Gas.
ovens, you know,
Here,
soft life.
yeah, here at least I cook with firewood.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's so fun. So fun. Yeah, I love
So,
it.
Samuel, so what inspired you to leave the city?
Okay, I've always wanted to own. We've always wanted to own a house somewhere where we can call home, whereby even when things get bad, we can always go back or live freely. Especially after the corona, we learned a lot about. Sometimes things can get bad, and maybe you don't have somewhere, you don't have rent, maybe you lose your job. So it was always an inspiration to own a home. Yeah, so it was time. We were tired of paying rent, and also the city. You need a lot of money to sustain yourself in the city. So it was time.
How do you manage this life, this village life?
This life is not hard
Oh,
because it's not hard because most of the things we use here, like for example, we don't cook with gas.
wow. You use
Yeah,
firewood.
we use firewood here. We get milk from our neighbors. We only go to the town, let's say, to buy some groceries and shopping. But as long as we have shopping, we just survive. We have solar in the house, so no bills for electricity, and obvious no rent. So the only money here we need is for maybe buying food and shopping.
Now that you are used to big spaces in Nairobi, you know, living in the rentals, 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, how do you manage living in a tiny Mabati house?
Most of the things, I had many things, but most of the things I gave to my mother. Yeah, because I knew most of them won't fit in the house. So I decided to give out some of the things to my mom. Yeah, so I only carried what would fit. The main things you need, like the bed, wardrobe for keeping your clothes. Yeah, so you don't need a lot to survive or to start life. You don't need a lot. As long as you got a bed, mattress, actually you can start from there.
You're good to go.
Yeah, you're good to.
Did you decide to build a Mabati house and not maybe a cabin or a mud house? The village house that you're used to.
Actually, the first plan was a mud house.
Oh.
But it has a lot of repairs. For a mud house, you'll do a lot of repairs. So I preferred, let me go for a Mabati house. Also for let's say a cabin, I didn't know where to get the wood. A cabin is expensive because you need wood, a lot of wood.
Yes, very expensive.
Yeah, so and also maybe to build and I had actually the money that I had was for fencing.
Oh.
I had saved money for fencing, 100,000 shillings, but my job went down, so I started spending my savings.
Oh.
Yeah, I was to save to fence. My budget for fencing was around 150,000, but I found myself where I had saved till 100,000. Then I started spending my savings on basic needs, so I found myself with 70,000. So I said instead of this money to all of it to finish, let me run to Narok. So I came here. I bought some Mabati, I bought wood, and I started on the house. The fundis were locally, just local neighbors.
Nice. How do you balance work and family responsibilities in such a remote location?
Okay, my work is online, so my work is not that complex. I need only like 1 hour in the morning to post whatever I'm going to post. Then from there, I receive calls and maybe reply some messages of some inquiries of customers. So the main thing I wanted was to have Wi-Fi. So that's why I installed the solar. And I also have Wi-Fi here. As much as it's somewhere in a bush, we have Wi-Fi here. So my work is online. So that's how I manage to feed myself and my family.
Nice. What are some of the challenges that you face as a young family living in the wilderness?
So far, only the weather, maybe. I don't think there's any other challenge we faced. Okay, there's also the challenge for water. Yeah, but that one we solved the first week. The first time we were brought for water was with donkeys, but the water was not. The water was a little bit dirty, so we had to look for another option to get water. So we went for water from. I went to the town, found someone with a tuk-tuk who sells water. So we've been getting water from Narok town, and we are charged around 1,000 shillings for 40 mtungis or jerrycans of water. Yeah. So we buy water like for 20 shillings, around 20 shillings.
Oh,
yeah,
that's nice. What are some of the benefits of living here, the wilderness?
The benefits are many. First of all, the freedom, no stress of rent. Other benefits, you can keep a lot of animals. You are limited to yourself. You can keep many animals. Also, here you cook it's so calm. No noise, no noise pollution. You get to enjoy nature in its truest form. You get to. It's so joyful. It's nice. I can say it's nice. There's no hustle and bustle. It's just pure, peaceful.
How has living here impacted your relationship with your partner and your children?
I don't think it has changed. We are still the same. We haven't changed yet. Yeah, unless right now actually when I was in town, I never used to do any physical work.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right now you're doing physical work.
My work was only maybe the phone. I just used to stay in the house, my phone, maybe go out to my job, relax there, also use the phone. So here I get to do some things like plant some trees, move around, maybe carry some things, clear some bushes. So from here I'll be
At
able
least you
to,
are busy.
yeah, I'm busy. Typical day, we wake up in the morning, we receive milk from our neighbors. Then my wife prepares breakfast. Then when she prepares breakfast, maybe we check for the chicken if they've laid some eggs. Then we open for the chicken, for the dogs. Then from there it's just smooth. We eat lunch. Then later supper. So in between you can do anything you want. Yeah, you can decide to walk around. You can decide to chill in the grass. You can decide to call a friend. Yeah.
What are some of the comforts that you had to sacrifice living here in the wilderness?
Comforts. Yeah. And,
Going to
so
club,
yeah,
partying, you have to
yeah, yeah,
sacrifice that,
yeah.
yeah?
Though those ones are available, I had already stopped. Yeah,
Oh.
so I've had a lot of fun. So I've actually right now I was more focused on the making a home for myself and my family, and starting serious life now.
Nice.
Yeah.
How do you ensure that there's safety for your family?
For safety here, we guard ourselves with we only have we have Vanjora. It's like a Masai knife. That's the only watchman in this place. So
And the fence.
and yeah, even the fence. I don't think the fence
Can do.
can really. So it's more about here. It's security. It's us. We are the
Oh,
security.
you
We
and
are
God.
yeah,
Guys
and the
and God.
God. We are. But later maybe we'll bring some security dogs here. Yeah.
So how do you handle emergencies like medical, maybe?
Here, we have some drugs in the house, maybe for painkillers. Yeah, you have to buy those drugs. You have to have a first aid kit in the house, some painkillers, some basic drugs like for your stomach ache, headache. If it's some emergency, then you have to go to the town. So you have to have some numbers of like 2, 3 people who have motorbikes. Yeah, where you can rush to hospital in time. Yeah.
What do you see yourself in the maybe coming 2 to 3 years?
In the coming 2 to 3 years will be far. For my wife here, she wants to do farming. She wants to keep a good kitchen garden. She wants to be selling mboga and also all types of vegetables to our neighbors. For me, I want to keep animals because I love animals. I want to keep goats, sheep. Yeah. So me mostly I'm doing animal farming, and
And
also
camping.
in 2 years to come, our camping will be fully set. So we'll be doing camping here. So anyone who wants to camp will be open for camping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you advise a person who wants lifestyle like yours? Maybe they are just struggling in the city and they don't know where to start. What would you tell them?
What I will say is I can't say okay. I can say for now you can just go to maybe a cheaper house that you can afford. If the house you're living is expensive, you can go for a more affordable house so that you can be able to do some savings. So when you're able to do some savings, then you can buy maybe land, and from there maybe you can start a home. It can be a tiny house like mine, and from there you can start. But without savings, it's hard. It's hard to
Sure.
start.
Want to connect with you? Where can they get you on social media?
Okay, on social media, I have a page because I sell dogs. Yeah, I sell dogs. My name on social media, my page is Saigon Canine Kennels. I also have another page now for here. It's called Saigon Canine Farm. Yeah. So those two all Instagram, TikTok mostly. On YouTube, my name is Samuel Rides Everywhere. So you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Though I'll be active maybe when we are settled well, then I'll start posting some videos.
This is their story. I hope you are inspired wherever you are. You've heard from him. If you need to start, you have to have savings. It's not easy. So thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.